Frame reassembly. Place the contact plate over the frame or mullion raceway. Align the contact plate in the center of the raceway. Place one end of the zipper strip in the corner of the frame and press it in until it snaps into place. Pressing the contact plate firmly against the frame raceway cover, slide along the frame corner, inserting the remaining zipper strip into the groove adjoining the contact plate to the frame rail or mullion. Confirm that the entire zipper strip is completely inserted over the frame corner. If necessary, use a plastic or rubber mallet to facilitate the zipper strip installation by tapping the zipper strip into place.